Hello and welcome to RealityFuturesTrading.com. In today's video, I am going to be going over the importance of waiting for the proper signals. We're going to be looking at the CL 1212 contract for October 25th of 2012. Well, let's go ahead and let's get started. Okay, the first thing that we're going to look at here is I don't like to trade the oil markets any sooner than 5 minutes before 7 Mountain Standard Time, and that's the oil open. It would be 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Well, we see our first signal that cooks up right here. However, I've got red bars. Now, I do have a trade here where it would have hit my first profit target of 10 ticks, but as you can see, it falls over pretty quickly. Once again, I get another signal right here on a red bar, and you can also see that my filter, I'm going back and forth. I don't take the signals on the red bars. It does not line up with my rules. I like everything to match. We do get a buy signal here, and again, I may have gotten my 10 ticks out of that. Difficult to say, as I did not take the trades, and I don't know how much slippage I would have had, but I know I would have had some. So once again, you see that the trade goes our way just a little bit and then it falls over. One trade that I would like to point out that I absolutely love to take is I like to take the rule of threes trade. And a rule of threes trade is just this. The soft edge in a case of a short remains on top of the hard edge. Now, technically I don't have a trade for a short until my soft edge is down below the hard edge. However, I do get 3 signals to go short right here. I don't take the first one. I do not take the second one. I did wind up taking the third one right here. And as you can see, the trade clearly goes my way. First target, second target, and there's even a runner in there. Also, you're going to notice there was a second entry down here that falls in line with my rules as well. Now, one of the things I want to point out is that if you back test, in this case, the Eagle Trend Trader, you're going to see a lot of trades that are just like this, where they look like, hey, I mean, look, in the past it went this many ticks. In the past it went this many ticks. I just find that it's better to stick with your rules, be patient, and wait for the good setups. Because generally the good setups are the higher probability setups. So I take this trade right here, I'm off to the races. Even on this trade here, which is theoretically part of my second leg to the downside, and I get my first and second target on this one as well. So my point is, by waiting for the good setups and waiting for the proper trade setup to materialize, I feel that it just gives you a better chance, or a better shot, if you will, at actually maybe making your profit targets. Now let's go ahead and let's move along here, and let's go ahead and let's take a look at another setup where we'd be breaking our rules and it would actually stop us out. We see down here at the bottom we get a bounce off of the low right here. So we get a bounce and we get a nice rise up, and look, lo and behold, here's another signal. Now let's just say we took this signal right here. I like to use my last pivot as my stop. So as you can see from my entry point here all the way down to here, that's quite the mammoth stop. So let's just say I don't take that trade. Sweet. Now I pointed out the rule of threes back here on my short trade. Let's just say I'm going to do this on a rule of twos. So I'm going to pass on this trade here, but let's just say I opt to take this trade here. Anyway, I've got a green filter. I'm above the band, however the soft edge is below. I would have filled here, and as you can see, using my last pivot, I would have easily been stopped out for quite the loss. So my point is, in making this video, be patient. Wait for the right setups to materialize. Wait for the setups that fit into your day trading rules. Alright, well, I hope you found this video to be informative. If you have any questions, please contact me at ray@realityfuturestrading.com. Thanks and have a great day.